Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from American Eagle Outfitters. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. American Eagle Outfitters has just released their third quarter fiscal 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their brand performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. American Eagle Outfitters reported a total net revenue of $1.3 billion for the third quarter, which is a slight decline of 1% compared to last year. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The decline in revenue was primarily due to a $45 million adverse impact from the retail calendar shift. Despite this, the company managed to achieve an adjusted operating income of $124 million, reflecting a robust operating margin of 9.6%, which is flat compared to last year.
That's interesting. How did the individual brands perform?
Aerie achieved an all-time high third-quarter revenue with a 5% increase in comparable sales, while American Eagle saw a 3% increase. This indicates strong brand execution and customer engagement.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. The adjusted EPS came in at 48 cents, which is above the forecasted 46 by analysts. John, what does this tell us?
This is a positive surprise for investors. Beating the EPS forecast by 0.02 cents, especially when 7 analysts were surveyed, shows that American Eagle Outfitters is effectively managing its costs and driving profitability despite revenue challenges.
What factors contributed to this EPS beat?
The company benefited from lower SG&A expenses, which decreased by 3% and leveraged 50 basis points. This was due to reduced compensation costs and professional fees, partially offset by higher advertising expenses.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss the operational efficiencies and future outlook. How is American Eagle Outfitters positioning itself for the upcoming quarters?
The company has been focusing on streamlining its operations, which is evident from the 3% decrease in SG&A expenses. Inventory levels increased by 5% to $804 million, which is healthy and well-positioned for the holiday season.
And what about their outlook for the fourth quarter?
For the fourth quarter, they expect comparable sales to rise by approximately 1%, but total revenue is projected to decline by 4% due to the retail calendar shift and one less selling week. However, they remain confident in achieving their long-term strategic objectives.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. Let's hear from the leadership. What did Jay Schottenstein, the CEO, have to say about these results?
Jay Schottenstein emphasized the effectiveness of their Powering Profitable Growth plan, highlighting the strong back-to-school season and the positive customer response during key selling periods. He also mentioned that they are well-positioned for the holiday season with high-quality merchandise and a great shopping experience.
How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
The company is focused on delivering strong quarterly results and remains confident in achieving its long-term strategic objectives. This includes maintaining brand strength and optimizing their operational efficiencies.
Key takeaways. In summary, American Eagle Outfitters has delivered a solid performance in the third quarter with a notable EPS beat and strong brand execution. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
American Eagle Outfitters is showing resilience in a challenging retail environment. Their strategic focus on profitable growth and operational efficiencies makes them a compelling investment, especially with their strong positioning for the holiday season.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on American Eagle Outfitters' performance in the comments below.